Good morning, students. We are doing the revision of chapter number 13, surface area and volume. On last turn, I completed 2 questions. Let us see the third question for revision. That is question number 3. A well of diameter 2 meter is dug 14 meter deep. The earth taken out of it is spread evenly all around it. To the width of 5 meter to form embankment find the height of embankment. So this is a well. It is dug out. The whole thing is spread out all around it. A well of diameter is 2 meter, 14 meter deep. This earth dug out and spread all around it. This earth dug out is spread all around it, and the width is 5 meter. This distance is 5 meter. Find the height of embankment. So volume of earth dug out is equal to volume of embankment so it is pi r square h. It is pi capital R square minus small r square into h. This pi and pi cancel. Small r is 2 by 2, that is 1 meter. Height is 14 meter, and you take this height is h1. And capital R is 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6 meter. Now putting its value, 1 into 1 into 14, 6 square minus 1 square into 14 14. 14, 36 minus 1, and this is H1, sorry, is equal into H1. So it will be 14 is equal to 35 into H1. H1 is 14 upon 35, 7 2 ja, 7 5 ja, 2 upon 5 meter, or you can change in centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so it is equal to 40 centimeter. Now see the next question. A sphere of diameter 5 centimeter is 5 centimeter is dropped into a cylindrical vessel partially filled with water the diameter of the base of vessel is 10 centimeter if the sphere is completely submerged by how much will the water will the level of water rise? A sphere, this is a question 4. A sphere of diameter 5 centimeter is dropped into cylindrical vessel partially filled with water. The diameter of base of vessel is 10 centimeter. If the sphere is completely submerged, how much will the level of water rise? So, volume of sphere is equal to volume of water rise in cylindrical vessel. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to pi r square into rise in water level. Pi and pi cancel it. You can say this is R1 because the radius is different. Radius of sphere, that is R, is equal to 5 upon 2 centimeter. Radius of base of vessel is equal to 10 upon 2, that is equal to 5 centimeter. 4 upon 3 into 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2 into 5 upon 2, that is R cube. Here 5 into 5 into rise in water level. into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. This 5 and this 5 come on denominator. These two 5 cancel it. These two cancel it. 5 upon 3, that is 1.67 centimeter. Next,
अभी एक क्वेश्चन हुआ था,
दो हो गए, तीसरा कराओ। 500% took dip in the rectangular tank. Took dip in a rectangular tank which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. Which is 80 meter long and 50 meter broad. What is the rise in the level of water in the tank? What is the rise in the level in the tank if the average displacement of water, if the average displacement of the water by a person is 0.04 meter cube. So, when one person dip in a tank, the water level increase 0.04 meter cube. When one person dip in tank, water level increase or volume increase is 0.04 meter cube, and 500% dip in tank, the volume increase is 0.04 into 500. This cancel it, 20 meter cube. So volume of water level increase is equal to length into breadth into rise in water level. Volume of water level increase is 20. Length is 80, breadth is 50 into rise in water level. So therefore, rise in water level is 20 upon 80 into 50. 24 jab 1 upon 200 meter. Change into centimeter. So these two zero cancel. 1 upon 2 centimeter, that is 0.5 centimeter. Now see this question again. 500% took dip in rectangular tank. When a person dip in rectangular tank, water level increase. The base of rectangle remains same, only height increases. The average volume increase is 0.04 meter cube for one person. So one person dip in a tank, volume increase 0.04 meter cube. 500% dip in a tank, so volume increase 0.04 into 500, remove the decimal and put the 100, 100 cancel with 500, that is 5 into 4, that is 20. So total water volume increase is 20 meter cube. And the water level increase equal to length into breadth into rising level. So 20 is equal to 80 into 50 into rising level. This value come on denominator. 24 the 54 the 200, change into centimeter, we get it 0.5 centimeter.